Every day is different. Every video is different. But my passion will always be the same. This is Kai for Warshawn, aka Stormboy13, and the storm has arrived. Wow! Hi guys, Stormboy13. Today's Sunday, as we know, it's time for the weather for the week ahead. I couldn't have done this earlier because of, well, I think you can tell, diabolical weather. But we were grateful to have the dry week we've had last week as predicted. This week's weather, not the best, I'm afraid, but hey, that's winter for you. I think midweek will be briefly dry, but most of the week will be kind of wet, unfortunately. Not a lot of winds this week, probably a bit breezy Monday and Tuesday, but there's no weather warnings for wind this week. It's just quite a bit of rain, especially for the end of the week. Temperatures close to average. It will feel a little bit chilly at times, but the figures are not actually below average for this time of the year, and it will turn milder by the end of the week. Let's go through more details. Today's weather, it actually has been a relatively chilly day with quite a lot of rain around, 5 to 10 millimeters quite locally, and temperatures got up to around 7 degrees Celsius typically. The rainfall chance or chance of heavier rain was 60%. The rain will clear away overnight, maybe the odd shower. Mostly cloudy conditions, so temperatures won't drop too much overnight, with minimums of 4 degrees Celsius starting Monday morning. Monday's weather, actually not a bad day tomorrow. Obviously not quite as sunny as last week Monday, but I think Monday morning will start off some sunny spells around, but some showers may be fairly scattered about into the afternoon. Some places may not catch them, quite a few places will though. Temperatures once again approaching at around 7 degrees Celsius. The rainfall chance probably at around 70% on Monday, so quite a lot of rain around in a short space of time in some places. Tuesday's weather's kind of similar, probably a bit more breeze around, and I think once again some sunshine around, some scattered showers blowing in from the west. They will go through fairly quickly, so it's not going to last too long. Temperatures, like I said, cool day, 6 degrees Celsius, and rainfall chance 60%. Now Tuesday night, briefly the pressure will rise a bit, so we'll kill off most of the showers and it will calm the weather down, so we will see some clear spells which could lead to some patchy frost in rural areas, so could be a cold start to Wednesday morning. For Wednesday, however, it's looking to be a very promising day with plenty of sunshine. It will be quite cool, so do wrap yourself up warm after a potentially frosty start. 7 degrees Celsius will be a high, the rainfall chance 10%. The dry weather won't last too long, I'm afraid. By the time we get to Thursday, or quite early on Thursday, an Atlantic front, another band of rain sweeping across the region, could be quite heavy as well. Predictions are it should hopefully clear away, particularly western areas, by lunchtime onwards. So dry afternoon, but even then, a few scattered showers about. Temperatures 9 degrees Celsius by then, so starting to be a little bit milder. The rainfall chance, once again, that's around 60%, or chance of heavy rain, that is. And by the time we get to the end of the week, more rain around at times into Friday. The detail is always a little bit open to question, but we could see double-figure temperatures by the end of the week, so 11 degrees Celsius will be our overall high. Rainfall chance 70%, with a little bit of breeze to blow in with it. Into next weekend, as February will start, the weather at the moment, not too bad. Sunny spells. Hopefully things will dry out on the start of the weekend, as predictions that weather conditions will improve once again. But it's not official though, and it may change. Temperatures, double figures potentially, 10 degrees Celsius, and the rainfall chance will be at around 10%. For next week's weather, for a brief recap, bit changeable, probably drier midweek after a brief interlude of unsettled weather early next week, drier midweek, and then possibly downhill once again at the end of the following week. But that's a long way off yet, and those temperatures, once again, nowhere near below average values for the time of the year, so quite a few people will be desperate to see some snow. That may not happen, I'm afraid. Do check my February 2020 outlook, because it's already up. But that's the forecast for the week ahead. Expect changeable weather, quite a bit of rain to end the week as well. Temperatures may rise a little bit by then, but still not a pleasant week. And that's it for this week's weather. Try to get some videos out if I can, so keep an eye on my channel. And other than that, guys, enjoy your week. Like, comment, subscribe. Storm is now out.